When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. No, I won't be afraid. Oh, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. If the sky that we look upon should tumble and fall, or the mountain should crumble to the sea, I won't cry, no I won't.
I can't tell you how many miles he drove. I can't tell you everything he did.
Stand
About this for a while. And I'd like to know, the Kunzes did not come to us and say, would you restore the car? That's not how it happened. We knew about the car, and the clerk said, we need to do this. You have a fallen police officer. Community supports and backs our police officers. We need to do this, not just for the officers of the past and the future of the current and for the future. This car is going to represent a lot of community love, caring, and giving back. Thanks. So we raised enough money to restore the car. Melissa, you have it coming up? We had a balance, this was just leftovers from college fund. We had a balance of $6,199.68. Every penny. Okay, we're getting close. The next thing, I don't know if this is the Kathleen or Melissa. So we've got a set of keys for the car. The number on it, and you probably seen this has Deputy Kunze's badge number, 258, and it happens to have the keys to this car. So we're going to give you the keys, and at this time, we want the club members that are going to reveal the car to take their positions. If we're going to have you'll notice had a single black pinstripe. In this case, you can get close and look. It's got a, you gotta check it. It's got a single black pinstripe, and then it's got a sheriff blue pinstripe right below. So that's the uniqueness of the striping, is that we wanted to add something. We know this is a good. Everybody will get to go look at it. But Melissa was at her father's funeral. Her last words were, "My father was a hero who protected everyone," and that's hand painted inside the deck plate.